everyone, I am Nishu with the second part of respiration, chapter number 6, life process. In the last video we have discussed what is the basic difference between these two terms. So let's now begin with breathing. Breathing is a process of inhalation and exhalation. It is a very simple process which you do every day, every minute, every second. Inhalation means taking air or oxygen from the atmosphere inside the body. And expiration means release of carbon dioxide or air into the outside atmosphere. So breathing is simple, consisting of two processes, that is your inspiration and expiration. Whereas when we talk about respiration is a cellular process which is taking place inside the cellular level, inside the tissue level. There is a misconception among the students that breathing and respiration are the synonym words to each other. But biologically, there is a difference between these two words. Just now I have told that breathing is a word, breathing is a term which comprises of inhalation and exhalation. Whereas respiration is a process, in the last video I have discussed that respiration is a process of burning of glucose with the help of oxygen so that energy can be produced. So if we start with the differences between that what is breathing and what is respiration is actually, then breathing is a process which involves intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide. Whereas respiration is a process of burning of glucose with the help of oxygen. I told you that with the elimination of carbon dioxide and water. Next, in the breathing process, energy is not produced. When we inhale and we exhale, it's just a simple process of exchange of gases. Oxygen is taken in and CO2 is thrown out. It's just a simple process. So in this exchange process, energy is not produced. But when we talk about respiration, when this process is taking place inside the cells, in our tissue level, at there your energy is produced because glucose is being burned with the oxygen and energy is produced in form of ATP. So energy is produced in case of respiration, and in case of breathing your energy is not produced. Now in case of respiration, when this glucose will be burnt with the help of oxygen, when oxidation process will be taking place, a lot of enzymes will be participating. What are enzymes? Enzymes are the chemical substances which help the process to enhance, which help the process to move ahead so that the glucose can be broken down with the help of oxygen. So numbers of chemical substances which are also called as enzymes are participating in the process of respiration. Whereas in case of breathing, where your burning process is not there, is just a simple exchange of gases. So there enzymes are also not playing any role. So enzymes are not participating in case of breathing. Now I repeat the things again that breathing is an extracellular process. What do you mean by extracellular? Extracellular means outside the cells. I told you that breathing is just a simple exchange of gases process. Intake of oxygen and release of CO2. So here cells are not playing any roles. So there is no cells, there is no participation of cell. So this process is taking place as an extracellular process. And here in case of respiration, it is an intracellular process. This whole process will be participating in case of cells, inside the cells. So this is your intracellular process. Now we are going to study the difference between respiration and combustion. Respiration is also an oxidation process, whereas combustion is also an oxidation process. Oxidation means burning of substances with the help of oxygen. During respiration, your glucose was being burnt with the help of oxygen to produce energy. Similarly, during combustion also, your wood, coal, paper is oxidized, is burnt. But what is the basic difference? Here in case of respiration, energy was produced. Here heat is produced. So you can say that vital, respiration is a vital process. It is a very important process. Whereas combustion is a chemical process. Burning of coal, burning of wood, all these things are over here. Now, during respiration, energy is released, but this energy is not releasing at a time. The release of energy is very slowly, at a very slow pace. Bit by bit, your energy is being released. But in case of combustion, the complete energy released in form of heat at a time. Altogether, suddenly, energy is released in form of heat. But here in case of respiration, that energy is released bit by bit. In case of combustion, when burning is there, the temperature rises very high in a large amount. Temperature is very high. But in case of respiration, the rise in temperature is very small. Now, you all know now, many times I have repeated that during respiration, energy is released and it is again stored in form of ATP. But here the energy is released in form of heat, but that is not stored. During respiration, your enzymes are used, and during combustion, enzymes are not used. We have discussed about the basic differences between respiration and breathing, respiration and combustion. Now we are going to study the differences between respiration in case of plants and animals. All living organisms need a continuous input of energy in their body, inside the tissue level, to continue to run all the different type of metabolic activities. So every living organism have their own way, have their own process that how. So we can say that there are basic differences in between them also in case of plants and animals and during the process of respiration. So let us know that what are the basic differences. Differences are that in case of plants, plants do not breathe. Plants do not breathe. They only have the process of exchange of gases. They only exchange the gas during the process of photosynthesis through the stomata or during respiration through the stomata. And whereas in case of animals, animals breathe in form of inhalation and in form of exhalation. So during inhalation, oxygen is taken and during exhalation, carbon dioxide is released. Hope you all have understood the topics which have been discussed till yet. Thank you.